Thank you for stopping by. We are Iowa.com, your local 5 forecast, bringing rain up from the south this evening and overnight. Southeastern Iowa more in line to see this feature. Stationary boundary to our north and west, focusing in some thunderstorms up into the southern half of Minnesota, northern half of Wisconsin, some hailers up there. Don't expect anything too significant here locally as we slip overnight. Amounts of rainfall on the light side. Here's Futurecast. We're going to be eyeing from about Marshalltown to Des Moines and Creston points southwards. As we move past 8 o'clock, the rain in view and then pushing out. There will be some activity in the northern part of the state too, north of Highway 20, especially there, so kind of splitting our area. Into Wednesday, a generally dry day. Can't rule out an isolated shower, but you do see Futurecast keeps things fairly dry. Wednesday night, we start to bring in the action again from the south. Showers, thunderstorms rumbling their way through, and this should hold through the first half of Thursday. This will be bringing us some soaking rainfall, and I do think there's a sweet spot around a half of an inch to an inch, but you see some of the numbers do fall outside of that range. A decent amount, though, should be on the way from Thursday, and another round due on this weekend, especially Saturday night going into Sunday. Now, temperatures are falling in a huge way Friday, too, and far enough with that next batch of moisture moving through this weekend, some snow may be possible. In fact, I'm thinking more and more likely this is going to be in the cards for central Iowa. Watch those temperatures as we go into Friday morning. Right at daybreak, we're in transition. That cold front is going to be moving through. We'll briefly be in the 60s and then slowly fall through the rest of the day, upper 40s and low 50s by the end of that one. That gradual fall continues all the way into Saturday morning, where we wake up into the mid-30s. All right, I told you another system is going to be on the way. A stray shower possible on Friday. That's still in the works there, but most of the rainfall is going to be falling into the weekend. You see this next system coming through and some snowflakes along with it. We may even see some accumulations in parts of Iowa. Checking out the snow ensemble, and this is looking at multiple different computer models and taking a look at what it says. Now, we have 3 that we're showing you here. All 3 do depict at least some snow in varying capacities across the state. We're going to be watching that time frame for you very closely. Early season setup, you can't put a lot of faith into it at this point, but something peaking on the horizon to watch. 59 for the overnight low tonight, 73 with our high temperature on Wednesday. We will see some peaks of sunshine coming through. Generally a dry day, with that rain arriving later into the overnight and into Thursday. That big fall on Friday, again, will end up closer to the upper 40s and low 50s there by the end of that one, and then we're cold through the weekend towards Halloween. Will be one of the colder trick-or-treating nights we've seen in some time across Iowa. We'll watch that Beggars Night and going into Halloween night too. Easily our first freeze of the year is on the way, and even some more flurries possible on Halloween.